I kept hearing people argue about the best smokers on the market, so I finally put my money where my mouth is. I bought 5 of the most talked about smokers, cooked real food on all of them, and lived with them for weeks. Today I'm breaking down what actually matters before you waste your cash. Product number 1: Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Vertical Smoker. When I first rolled the Masterbuilt 30-inch out of the box, it felt solid without being crazy heavy. The door seals well, the chrome rack slides smoothly, and the digital panel is simple enough that I didn't need the manual. During testing, I loved the side wood chip loader. I could add chips mid-cook without dumping heat, which kept my ribs juicy. The water bowl actually made a difference too. My pork butt stayed moist, and cleanup was easy with the rear grease tray. Temperature held steady up to 275, and I didn't babysit it all day. This smoker shines for beginners or anyone who wants reliable results without fuss. If you're cooking for family or weekend gatherings, this one just works. After running multiple loads through it, I moved on looking for something with a bit more tech and capacity. It's been consistently dependable in my backyard cooks overall. Product number 2: East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30 Electric Smoker. The East Oak Ridgewood Pro felt taller right away, and honestly my back appreciated it. The elevated stand puts everything at a comfortable height, and the build felt sturdy when I leaned into it. In real use, the long-lasting chip system impressed me most. I loaded it once and smoked for hours without touching it. The built-in meat probe was clutch. I watched internal temps in real time and didn't have to open the door. It even switched to keep warm automatically, which saved one brisket from drying out. Heat stayed consistent, and the side chip loader worked cleanly. This is perfect if you like long, relaxed smokes and hate hovering. It's ideal for bigger batches and all-day cooks. After using this one, I wanted to see how the standard East Oak compared without the stand, and whether it delivered the same hands-off experience consistently during longer weekend smoking sessions outside. Product number 3: East Oak 30 Electric Smoker. This East Oak 30-inch model felt familiar in build, with solid doors and smooth racks that didn't wobble. I liked how straightforward the controls were. Set the temp, set the time, and walk away. In testing, it performed just as steady as its bigger sibling. The chip loader let me add wood without heat drops, and smoke stayed rolling. The meat probe again saved me from guessing, especially on chicken. I got clean bark and juicy meat without babysitting. Capacity was great for meal prep days when I smoked multiple cuts at once. This one is for people who want consistency and simplicity without extra height or bells. It's dependable, predictable, and easy to live with. After days of stress-free cooks, I switched gears and fired up a pellet smoker for comparison to see how wood pellets changed flavor, control, and overall cooking flexibility for longer backyard smoking sessions too. Product number 4: Traeger Grills Pro 22 Pellet Grill and Smoker. When I grabbed the Traeger Pro 22, it felt like a serious piece of gear. The steel body is solid, and the sawhorse base keeps it planted. Cooking on it was a different experience. Pellets fed smoothly, temp stayed tight, and the smoke flavor was cleaner and more even. I grilled burgers one day and smoked ribs the next without changing setups. The meat probe worked well, and the hopper lasted through long cooks. Cleanup was easier than expected too. This is great if you want one machine that does almost everything outside. It's not tiny, but it's manageable. After spending time with it, I stepped up to something bigger and more aggressive for serious temperature range. That curiosity led me to a dual-chamber pellet grill built for extremes, with wider heat control, heavier materials, and a totally different backyard presence during long weekend cooks outside my usual comfort zone. Product number 5: Rectech Dual Fire 1200 Pellet Smoker Grill. The Rectech Dual Fire 1200 felt like a tank when I opened it up. Thick stainless steel, heavy lids, and everything fit tight. What blew me away was the dual chambers. I ran one side low and slow while cranking the other for searing, all in the same cook. Temperature control was insanely steady, and the Wi-Fi actually worked without drama. I checked temps from inside and didn't lose heat. Food came out consistent every time. This thing is for serious backyard cooks who want full control and flexibility. It's big, powerful, and not cheap, but it feels built for the long haul. After using it, everything else felt a little limited. especially when juggling different meats, cook styles, and temperatures across long smoking days, without compromise on flavor, stability, or confidence in the final results at home, consistently outside with friends, family, and hungry neighbors watching closely nearby often too. Those are the best smokers on the market I've actually cooked on. Each one fits a different style and budget. I dropped links in the description so you can check current prices and details. If you've got questions, hit the comments and I'll help you out.